how you doing today? My name is RJ Rickert with ISW, and today I wanted to make a video based off of common mistakes I see in the field when customers are using Forever Laser Dark and Forever Laser Light products. So first, let's address the press. A lot of presses come with Teflon sheets either on the bottom or on the top of the press, and we're going to want to take those off. We want nothing covering the lower platen or the heat press itself. So now let's address how to put the paper on the press. Two sides of the paper. The matte side we're going to have on the, or I guess the glossy side we'll have on the bottom, and the matte side will be facing up on your A sheet. This side right here is holding all the toner. And we're going to grab our B sheet, which is two-sided. One side has like the grid that says Forever on it, and the other side is blank. We're going to put that blank side down, covering up the toner. And then we're going to lay either silicone sheets, as we have today, or parchment paper over the top. You're not going to want to put Teflon over it. It's just not going to get as much heat that it's going to need to seal in that adhesive. And so now we're just going to close it up. And so let's go over a little bit of the specifications. The pressing time is anywhere from 90 to 120 seconds. And the temperature, the range is 300 to 310, and today we're at 305 degrees, and we're at a low to medium pressure. My heat press says 4, so for the people that don't have a heat press that will give you an exact number of pressure, it's just a nice low to medium pressure will give you the best results using Forever Laser Dark.